Here's a small demo of the wireless MIDI Bluetooth pedal. So I'm just going to turn it on. There's the boot up sequence, and the flashing lights mean that it's waiting for a Bluetooth subscriber. So I'm going to turn on my high vibe guitar that has Bluetooth MIDI functionality. Okay, and right there you just saw that it connected and the lights turned off on the controller. That means it's connected. So the first thing I have it hooked up to on the guitar is these two buttons control the looper. It's going to be a little bit hard to demonstrate, so I'm just going to strum with one hand over here. And I'm going to hit record, and then I'm going to stop it. Okay. So now I can control the loop with this button. Right, so basically this one starts the looper, this one stops and plays it. That's just the functionality of the guitar, but you can see the wireless controller is working. So that's that, and then I'm just going to go into the effects of the guitar, and hopefully you can see that. Switch hands. So this one is set to be the previous effect, and this is set to be the next effect. So if I just give that a tap, I think you can see that. That the effect is changing with the button presses. Alright, so it's a pretty cool guitar. But yeah, the wireless pedal's working, and if we just look at the back, it's just the power switch is here. Here's your charging port, okay, and then the red light means power's on, and below there's a green light to show when you're charging the battery, and then it turns off when the battery's charged. So that's pretty much it.